How to fix this version of Vanguard requires UEFI Secure Boot error. In this video, I'll show you how to solve this issue on your Windows PC. First, let's check if Secure Boot is currently disabled. Open the Start menu, type System Information, and launch it. In the System Summary, look for Secure Boot State. If it says Off, that's why Vanguard isn't starting. Close System Information and open Settings. Go to System, then Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Your PC will restart and open the Windows recovery environment. On the blue recovery screen, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and choose UEFI Firmware Settings. Click Restart to enter your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings. Once you're in the BIOS, the layout may vary depending on your motherboard or laptop. Look for a tab such as Boot, Security, or Authentication. Find the Secure Boot option and change it from Disabled to Enabled. After enabling Secure Boot, save your changes before exiting. Most systems use the F10 key to save and exit, but if yours is different, follow the instructions shown on the screen. Confirm the changes, and your computer will restart normally. When Windows loads, open System Information again and check the Secure Boot state. It should now display on. If it still says Off, return to the BIOS and make sure your changes were saved correctly. Once Secure Boot is enabled, launch Valorant again. In most cases, the Vanguard error will be resolved, and the game should start without any issues. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.